Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Redgiz review. Now, I am here inside the members area, and during this video, I am going to give you its demo and what it does. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving the read gauge for only $1. So when you buy from my link, which is down below of this video, you get your $12 back. It means uh, in your bonus area you will get $5 instant, and remaining money I'll give you within the 12 to 24 hours. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I get some commission, and in this case it is 100%. That's why I am giving your money back. Now you also might be thinking Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commission to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and you love this, then you also buy some of its upgrades, and on these upgrades I make money. So in that case you and me both make money. Now let me tell you what the ReadGauge software all about. So it's a brand new software of Instagram which allow you to automate your post, bring unlimited traffic for free without any hard work. It's a brand new artificial technology which in which you can schedule your post, you can get subscribers, buyers into your list, and you can automate everything, and this will give you your traffic on autopilot. So let me tell you about my bonuses. So this is my bonus page. Now my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Awakening. Both are these traffic apps, and this will allow you to get unlimited traffic. Also with the ReadGauge app, this is also Instagram software, but these both are also allowed from get traffic from other social medias and autopilot traffic. Now my next bonus is you will get access to Fugo Breakout and the Fugo Multiplier. Both are the training apps which give you training on how to bring traffic on autopilot for free without any paid things. Now my next bonus is I am giving you my personal social media hack. You know that this is the ReadGauge software is all about an Instagram software. So it will make you autopilot income traffic, but I'll also give you my social media hack which allows me to make more money. Now my next software is you will get my successful Instagram marketing training for worth of $997, in which I'll tell you about all my Instagram strategies like Instagram paid ads, free ads, solo ads, short outs, and everything. Now you will get a suite of 16 softwares including funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, all accounts of Shopify, Vimo, Kabazi, all are free accounts for lifetime. You know that ClickFunnels average price is $100 per month, but you will get for free for lifetime, not for 1 month, not for a year, but for lifetime. Now my next bonus is I am giving a premium hosting with a premium domain training, premium themes and plugins. Now you know that hosting worth around $50 per month, but you will get hosting for free for lifetime, premium hosting. Now my next bonus is I'll tell before that I am giving your $12 back if you buy from my link which is down below of this video. $5 bonus instant and $7 after 12 to 24 hours. Now you will also I will also provide a bonus into my bonus area that you will send your email to my list per day up to 1,000 people. Means you will send your email to my list, not for 1 month, not for a year, but for lifetime. You will access my list to you. Now my next bonus is I am holding a $1,500 contest. All details are in my bonus area, and if you buy this you will get $1,500, and it's not only for one person. If many people wins, then all people get $1,500. Now the bonus is up to 1 to 9. are only for first 100 people. They are only for first 100 people, nothing else. Now you can see there 37 spots already gone because some of my buyers from my email list also buy them. So hurry up and buy my bonuses. Buy this Redgate software and grab my all softwares and training and bonuses for free. Now next bonus is my email marketing hack. So if you want to grab list from Instagram, increase your email list. So this will help you. The my email marketing hack, this training will allow you to make more money. Now my next bonus is 40 free bonuses I am giving to you. That means with these 40 bonuses you can give away to your audience, and this will help you to boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus is I am giving you training that how to use those bonuses for free, and you can increase your conversion with sales. Now my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides me to give you. My next bonus is I am giving my proven Instagram posts. So I'll give you my best Instagram posts that allows me to make $1,200. My next bonus is I'll giving you my personal case study of 2.9 million visitors, that how I get 2.9 million visitors to my website or my landing page. So my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you about all my secret hacks of chatbots, how you can increase your conversion with the help of chatbot, and you can interact with buyers, everything else. Now my next bonus is when you buy from my link, you will get automatic approval to all of my past and future products. My next bonus is $300 CPA every day. It's a training created by Glenn Goski, a super affiliate on Warrior Plus. It's all about CPA marketing. This is a very best selling course on Warrior Plus. Now $500 CPA every day. This also created by Glenn Goski and very good product training, which will allow you to make money through Instagram with CPA marketing. Now my next bonus is CPA coffee shop method, which will also tell you to bring traffic to CPA offers. Now $200 cash hack. This is also created by Glenn Koski. Now next bonus is 2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also CPA marketing through Instagram. So with the software Redgate, it's also an Instagram software. So with this software, my all bonuses of CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, with this help you can make much more money. Now $200 cash magnet. This also affiliate marketing course and app. Now my next bonus is commission glitch, which allow you to get traffic on autopilots to your website. Now 6-figure influx. This is a training course in which I'll tell you with my friends that how you can make money. Next bonus is $1 million toolbox. It's also training and best selling course on Warrior Plus. Next, overnight commission, which will tell you how you get money within 24 hours. Now my next bonus is commission toolbox. Now my next is pure profit paydays, which also gives you training on how you can get money in just only 12 hours. Now my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, which will also an Instagram course. How you can make CPA commissions from Instagram. Now my next bonus is commission profit hack. So in this course you will learn how to get commissions much more higher than. Now my next bonus is instant traffic jacker. It's also best selling course on Warrior Plus. Now the next two are commission magnet and commission blueprint. These are also best good. Now when this product goes live on 22 June 11 AM EST, I think so, then you can click any of this button and grab all these bonuses for free if you buy from my link, which is down below of this video. But see this, if you grab now when this product live, then you will also get these 9 bonuses and your $12 back if you buy from my link. So let me tell you about its sales page. So the sales page looks something like that. It's the world first revolutionary Instagram marketing automation app for a low time price. Now first to market Instagram marketing automation technology. Now Instagram have 1 million active users per month, so you can have access to 1 million active users per month. Automate your Instagram marketing campaigns like a pro. Yes, it will bring your traffic on autopilot. You don't have to do nothing. Now there's lots of its features. There's also 30-day money back guarantee, which is very good. Now their price rises every around 1 hour. These are some income proofs, testimonials. These are just 3 simple steps. I'll also go in the members area and tell how you can do this, but just log in, create your campaign and drive traffic. This will drive traffic on autopilot. Now there's a lot of stuff on the sales page, you can check in your time. Yes, so let's amazing benefits you get from this software. Now click one click ultra fast Instagram marketing automation app. This brand new technology has never been released before. Just get started with few clicks and see how fast it delivers real and results in cost effective manner. Next, go limitless by adding multiple Instagram accounts. You can add multiple Instagram accounts instead of one. Now next is drive laser targeted traffic from Instagram. Yes, it's a targeted traffic. Now next is reduce your dependency on money sucking third parties. You can check it out this your own. There's a lot of stuffs they are giving to you, you can check in your own time. Now let me, there are some more income proof. So they are also giving you some bonuses. First bonus is 4K HD video downloader. Second is instant screen recording software premium. $100 day income system, step-by-step training, YouTube traffic case study, 100 premium themes and plugins, total value $2,958. Now these all the things you will get from these, which is, see, you can see there the software, step-by-step trainings, quick start guide, live chat support, their bonuses, all surprise bonuses, 3 and some more bonuses. Now you can this see there only one time investment of only $12, but if you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you get your $12 back when you buy from my link. 30-day money back guarantee and lot of stuffs. There are some FAQs. Do I need any experience or tech design to get started? The answer is no prior design or tech skills. Money back guarantee, yes, they have 30-day money back guarantee, step-by training also included, and much more. So check it this in your own time. I'm not going to tell you all. So let's me move into the members area. This is the dashboard of the RedGauge software, you can see there. Now I am here inside the dashboard and you can check there all your total post, complete post, image post, video post. So first you all have to do to import your account. Let me load up. When you import your account of Instagram, you can import multiple accounts with your Instagram. You can see there, wait a second, and there are lots of stuff. You can import account, Instagram posting, post calendar, you can schedule your post from there. See what's you can import your account, Facebook accounts. Yes, you can import your Facebook account because Instagram is owned by Facebook, so you can import your account. When you import your account, you can create a campaign there in just a second. All the training included there, so you don't have to do nothing. So when you import your account there, then you can create your campaign from there. Let me load up. So see there, I not yet import my account, so this page is show. But when you import your account, you can instant create your campaigns. There's also hashtag tools which will get you to very good hashtag and high buyer authority traffic you will get. So check it out this. If you buy from my link which is down below of this video, come to my bonus page, see all things there, and buy. Now let me tell you about its prices and upsells. So the front end price is $12. The second upsell one is $27, in which you get unlimited feature to all this. Now the next upgrade is RedGauge DFY, in which they will create everything for you. You don't have to do anything. Now RedGauge Pro, 300% more traffic you will get. Now RedGauge software, in which $97. These all are features you get from when you buy from this this upgrade. And RedGauge reseller rights. Now in my opinion, you should buy I think this exclusive Portio for upsell for, I think you should buy this, because I myself buy this. Now some key features you also may like: first, Instagram marketing technology, 1 billion Instagram users, real buyer traffic and everything. So when this product goes live, you can click any of this button and activate your account, and don't forget to grab my bonuses. So feel free to check out my bonuses, and before my check out all my bonuses and buy this before my bonus page expires, which I don't want, because I spent a long time to put all these bonuses together and found for yourself, and I put as possible as good bonuses. All these bonuses are exclusive to me, means all are created by myself and with my friends, and very good selling products or apps. So okay, all these are created by myself, and these are not available for anyone else like mine. So feel free to shop around and see what other peoples are offering in terms of bonuses for the RedGauge, because I guarantee you that you are not going to find better, more useful bonuses that I am giving to you from my link, which is down below of this video. So it's all over. I'll tell you about my bonuses. Then when you buy from my link and come to your Warrior Plus history and check that this is, you can access from this blue button your bonuses. Now it's all completed, and thank you for my watching video, and I'll see you in some of the next video. Take care, bye.